Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you for all of you that gave me a chance to speak here. So, my name is Hajime Onojima, and right now that I'm in charge of the head of the Technical Research Institute in Obayashi Corporation. So today, I fly from Haneda and arrive in the early morning. So I'm really disappointed at this strong rain, Well, so today that I will show you that there's some kind of the AI and robotics application in Obayashi Corporation. Today, I would like to show you that there's several robot technology application. And first, we will show you that some kind of this concept which we made as a for robotics technology application, and also we will show you the several applications in international, and also we will show you that some kind of real AI application in the construction site. First, this is a Obayashi robotics construction concept. So we have set up with our robotics team to improve our productivity in Japan. That maybe in Singapore or some other company is the same, but we have suffered that the very severe lack of the labor powers. So the population who is working in the construction sector is decreasing. So we have to make more efficient to work. So in front of us is we have the improvement of the safety and the work environment. And also right now, I'm showing you that some other aspect was happened in our site. And also in the future, we would like to make some kind of big development for the next generation construction. To accomplish this way, we need mechanization of the work. Some works have to be machines can be do, and also our works have to be digitalized. And last one is labor saving operations, remote, automatic, and autonomous is our target. First application is site logistics. Our laborers, most of the half of the time in the site, they are just carrying some items or materials, not constructing. So it means that the site logistics is quite important for us. So right now that we have made this small robot which can handle 1 ton of weight very easily. And right now that we can control by the game controller, quite easy to use. Unfortunately, right now that it is not autonomous. However, to achieve use in a construction site right now, so we would like to be more friendly for some workers. Maybe if we have another chance to do some new research, maybe we can do some kind of autonomous controlling to the site robotics, site logistics, just to carry here to here during the night. And this machine is already applied in actually the Bangkok, not only in Japan. So just now we are trying to do checking the performance. Next one is slurry spray machines, slurry spray robot for the fire resistance. The construction site workers know that, so we have to spray some cement slurry on a steel beam to resist the fire. but it's very difficult work in the site. So right now that we are making the two robots to spray the H-shape beams to automatically just spray out in a precise thickness on the beam using the 6-axis robot arm. This machine was also applied in Tokyo, and also right now that we are thinking about use in Singapore. Okay, welding machines is actually common in Japan right now. So they can handle the circle or rectangle or some other very difficult shape connection. It have to be welded. Is right now that we can do these kind of things in a site. Actually, that's right now that's this kind of robotics technology is very necessary for us to keep the quality. Right now, that's in Japan, it's quite difficult to search the trained welding workers. So welding is a very technical aspect labor. So he's very great. So right now in Japan, I don't know how many. I believe it's 1,000 or something, but it will be degrees. And maybe in the near future, it will be disappear. So it means we have to use the machines right now to keep our quality. This is a video which can weld in automatically in a very high place in a steel tube beam right there. Okay. And also it's not only the robotics, but the 3D printing technology. So this small building is our first, I believe that the Japan first 3D printed building in Japan. So it's quite small building, but anyway, our 3D printer, actually the robot machines, are printed at the site to make these buildings. Right now that we are using this technology for the more difficult works in deep sea, under the sea. For example, this strange shape of structure is applied to protect the sand on our seashore. So we have printed these forms at the factory and put on the concrete and make it sunk in the bottom. So it was quite difficult work. But however, it's keeping the safety of the labor work. Next one is the excavator and dump truck autonomous technology. So we have to carry so many of the soils from the site and just put on a dump and go away from somewhere. So this excavator is automatically operated, and these dump trucks also automatically operated in the site, not in the public. So this technology two machines can cooperate each other to the excavator just to carry on and waiting the dump truck and dump the soil in a precise way and just start it. So it's a cooperation between the two robots. Okay, this one is autonomous crane operation. So you can see that very large crane is carrying so many units in a site. It is a very difficult work. So we are trying to operate automatically and autonomous, just catch the unit on the ground and carry on in a precise position and drop them, not drop, it's just install them. So, and also that we have some special technology which was called Skyjuster. It was controls on unit in the sky. So even if that the wind is coming, it can be controlled in a position and change the position and install the precise way. Actually, this is an application in Singapore. Right now, we are working some site using this technology. Unfortunately, it is the crane the operator is sitting. It's offshore doesn't allow to no-man operation, so it's just the operator is sitting. But anyway, this movement is automatic operated. You see the one unit was carried in the sky. And also the left-hand side monitor is showing the situation. Okay, next two application is our AI technology. First, that's generative AI. So right now, that's some generative AI can generate the picture automatically. Seeing the please get these kind of pictures, they automatically make some drawing. So using these kind of technologies, our designer just say and make some very rough handwriting sketches in left-hand side style, and after AI making this style of the example automatically. So maybe designer can select from them what kind of the facade is they like. Try again, and try again. And also that we are trying to make not only the drawing, to make a 3D model from this drawing. After that, we will make some kind of detailed design. It's also a quite smart application. Right now, we are started our designer and trying to this kind of idea. Next one is a more construction site work. Actually, it's not a generative AI. It's a deep learning. So in a tunnel drilling under the ground actually is a mountain. So the very trained person is going in the top. It's actually in the bottom of the train and watch the situation of the ground. And they make some very detailed documents to control the quality. So this guy is quite very trained or high-class engineers because he can understand just watching is what happened in here. So right now we have made some AI, actually deep learning system. Just taking a photo, AI can analyze what happened there and making this kind of report automatically. So it is a very good application because that's in the bottom of the tunnel is quite dangerous. If something happens, maybe it may collapse. However, right now that we don't have to be there, just camera there and taking a photo, and our humans and place in a safety place and watch what happened in the bottom. Okay, this kind of application is quite fine, and also right now Actually, I should say that thank you very much today, and